All right. I wanted to shoot a quick video here, just showing you how to invite your accountant to your QuickBooks file so they can take over and start doing your QuickBooks and your bookkeeping. So what you're going to want to do is, and I use this a little tool over here called Write Tools. I just basically just want to show my chart of accounts. I just find it easier. And I go up to the little gear icon in the upper right hand corner, and then you have your list here. You want to go to Manage Users. And then what you have is you have two tabs. You have users and accounting firms. So based on how many users that you actually have. So it's always best if you can go to the accounting firms and then add. Where I'm already a user and this is my file, it's not giving me that access, but sometimes they just change things too. So you just want to look at your users. If you can, go to accounting firms. There should be an invite button. And all you have to do is put in your new bookkeeper's first name, last name, email address, and then send that over. They'll get the invite email. Or you want to look at your users. Sometimes you need to add users, and depend on what plan you have, kind of limits the number of people that you can have. But you should just be able to enter the basic information, first name, last name, email address, and down the bottom right-hand corner, you have your send invites. This is just if you want to limit, what they have access to. And some people just want them to be accounts receivable or accounts payable or your in-house accountant, company admin. So, but basically that's where you need to go. Just go once again, upper right-hand corner, over to Manage Users. And then you just want to look and see if you can type the invite in the accounting firm or add the user. So if I was going to add the user, I would probably do company admin or in-house accountant. I'd want to make sure that they have full access to all the activities that they would need to do inside your QuickBooks Online account. So hopefully this helps. Let me know if you guys have other topics you want me to cover.